Alright, now, this is what we talk about when we say we want dancehall to nice again. Malie Donn and Chronic Law at it. Now, Malie Donn, you're brave, you know. Because tell the truth, a man who dwell in the darkness, me not run up on, you know. But, it shows say you're bold, youth, and it shows say you're brave and you're afraid for clash. No, man, because I've been a clash craft on them, man, there. So, me give you props. And I've said this before, Malie Donn have the potential for run dancehall. It's Malie Donn Craft and Armani. I've said that before. You see me? Because the man them bad, full of style, flow, and lyrics. So anyway, make a jump in there. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Here's Malie Donn with Mr. Switchy Switchy. So come here, big it up on the screen.
Everywhere them go, them try buy links. Everywhere them go, them want buy gun. Still don't mean you a bad boy. You 20 reach or your toe do not try run. If I made it send for your loose, but you and them fuck trash, you woulda lie down. All St. Thomas know them a true cat. Must see did a drink pussy will stop by.
So Bashi get this. Bashi new name is no trashy. Alright.
You invest in a rifle and one bag of binds. Yet still a name never yet call upon a crime. So how come you turn this big murderer when a other man war for your gun them a fight?
Alright, the man say invest in so much gun but your name never call upon a murder. Malie, you have to understand you have smart badness and you have dumb badness. You see me? I have to remember that. But anyway, I can see what boss have to say.
Switchy Switchy, Mr. Switchy Switchy, why you never lift your blicky? Where the hell when you see me? Them and nobody feel me afraid up and land clip ram like champs if you ever grandstand. Tell Jamaica bad man say you switch just true, you afraid of shop done. Nah no lie, you shaky from long time shot through. That's in a facey Glock slam. Go on a church, me would go try baptize. Stop play, we don't know safety bad fam. Fred man.
So the man pretty much I tell Chronic Law say yo, you're not bad. You see me? You're not bad. Because you're afraid of shop done, that's where you have to run with. You see me? And I tell Chronic Law say go on a church, go to church and become a Christian, baptized in the name of the Lord. Hallelujah. Pretty much that the dog I say.
Running program now, them pussy they no brave, just a boast pan cloud. Buy one bag of strap with them now use it. You did invest your money in a goat and cow. 357 chrome and brown, one die 40 is a whole Kogan now. Before you war me, you better hide your family. Me we shot Wendy in our Trojan mouth.
Bumbo clot no. Man, I make Chronic Law know straightforward. Say before you war me, make sure say you hide your family, because if you can't catch Quaco shot, if you can't catch Quaco, you catch Quaco shot, and if you can't catch Quaco shot, you catch in color. You see me? So, I pretty much that Malie Donn say, if you war me, your whole family are get involved. Family are dead, alright.
Them and nobody to either. Shut your mouth in America, protect your little visa. Pussy me we take it to the streets, I'm not afraid for dead. Me don't chat to Satan and Jesus. Looking at air and Draco who a boot, so when the Miami can't save you. Tap blick a long rifle tape up. Me no some man we take box down and drape up. You Mr. Switchy Switchy.
Alright, no. The thing with that normally is this. We never hear Chronic Law get boxed or get drape up. So for you to mention that, I can't get to say you mention it from two different perspectives. The fact that you're a bad man and a boy can drape you or box you down. And we can take it on the other perspective where you try to say Chronic Law get boxed down and drape up. We never hear that before yet. We just know that Chronic Law is a dark man and he mean the darkness. Cause right now, you know, in Chronic Law hear this, you know, he must swallow this sun and come for you, you know. Alright?
Mr. Switchy Switchy, why you never lift your blicky? Where do you when you see me? Too much rifle there, you feel me? Try make a pussy diss me. Balling at them chest like Christy. All when them in a system. You just a yak about 90s badness, what do your mouth? I bet you no say river figure should be out. The beretta just a paper hollow full your mouth. Pussy them a not treat a regular, them see me outside. From day one, me a 6. And
remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. No, the man say, why you never rise your blicky when you see me the other day? See me? That Malie Donn say, me don't know which part Chronic Law see him. But Malie Donn, you're brave. They show how bold you be. And we respect your youth. Cause you're a call name. You're not afraid of no man. You're a call name. Come in, like, comment, share, subscribe.
From day one you are 6. One thing now, you a tick. And you switch love sweets and likes. You a bitch, go government, my gun and off politics. Rich bad this no.
Room. Big bomb buckler line that. But government badness, my gun and off politics. What you mean?
Pussy no give me charity. Quiet, me wish I to no make everybody see. People dead, what a calamity. Maggie John fly, mama just have a meet it up on her. Me ram me clip up on her. You ma rough lick up on her. Boy stop follow me up and go suck your mother. Mr. Switchy Switchy. Expose them Jamaica. Switchy Switchy.
Alright.
No boy we switch can't sing to no boy loyalty. You know see Jamaica brainwash. I'm holding up on my lazy boy. I may say 641. I may say Fred. You know a code. I may say 36 bars. I may say Trinidad Tayo. You know the code.
Alright. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Now listen, let me tell you. Personally, I feel like say the war just started. It's not a 10 out of 10 bad song, but me give it a 8.5. Because it's tough. And like me tell you, Malie Donn is like one of my new generation artists them. Me think the dog have great talent. You see me? Chronicle are my artist. You see me? When people ask me, I don't here, Cartel, Governor, Chronicler. You see me? If me for put like people in the top 5, them man there. You see me? You know so the legend them Bounty Beanie, them man in a different class. You see me? But I feel like say the war just started, so we can't really appreciate the clash just yet. Cause it just started. So we don't know if them go drop 1 and 2 songs and say no, we not deal with that, we are deal with money and we not deal with the crime and violence. See me? Cause right now this sound very personal. Go suck your mother. Why you never lift your blicky when you see me the other day? You see me? Him go make sure say him shot all him and girl, him and sister, him and mother and all them something there. You see me? So that kind of sound personal to me, you know. But me hope the 6th camp can keep it cordial and keep it lyrical. We don't want the war in the street. You see me? We don't want the Gully and Gaza repeat. You see me? So please, like, comment, share, subscribe, chat, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.